Hello, this is Carl from McClarty Films. I'm in the Kangen Water Store in Las Vegas, and today I have a new product to share with you called the Hidrate Spark Pro, a high-tech water bottle with LED light reminders to help you drink more water. So I got this product because I don't drink enough water. I have it on my list to drink more water every day. I have post-it notes, I have reminders on my Google Calendar, different activity apps, but this is the one thing that has helped me actually drink more water. It's called Hidrate Spark Pro, and as you can see behind me, I have the Kangen water machines. This is the K8 and the SD501, and now these are high-tech waters, electrolyzed water. So this is like high-end water, and today I have a high-end water bottle that will help you drink your water. I just got this, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it works. It's this is a fake unboxing because I already have water in it. But basically, the gist of it is that it has sensors in the bottom of the bottle here, and so every ounce that you drink, it will give you a recording on an app, and it will tell you how much you've had for the day. And so then based on your height and your weight and your exercise level and your age and your sex, the app will give you a water drinking goal, hydration goal for every day. And then this thing, it really does it kind of gamifies it. So throughout the day, it lights up. There are LEDs in here, and it tells you to drink more water. And it really does work. I've only tried it for 2 days, but I've never drank this much water in my life. You will spend a lot of time in the bathroom. Okay, but that's a good thing. So then the other function is that after you drink a glass of water, a gulp of water, it will light up. And just that little light reward, it's really satisfying. So let me demonstrate for you here. So you go through the day, and this is without the notification to drink water. So let's say you're just thirsty. So you drink a little bit of water, and then you set it on a flat surface like that, and then you have to wait about 10 seconds, and it should light up. Let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. So it's kind of set on a spectrum of like rainbow colors here, and then you get a notification in your phone, and so you can see here I've got 65 ounces for the day. And my goal is 105 ounces, which is about 13 cups of water, which is a lot. And in the bottom of the app, it will show you 62% of your daily goal. Oh, this thing is wobbly. Hold on. And it will give you a measure of your weekly water intake. And there's some other functions like there's a social aspect, so you can have your friends. And it's kind of like Fitbit, so you can compete and see if you've all had the same amount of water or who's meeting their water drinking goals. So it's really cool. And let me just show you the physical part of the bottle. I chose to get the plastic one. This is called Triton plastic, and it's break proof or break resistant and water or odor resistant, so it won't skunk up on you too much. And when you wash it, you need to remove the electronic part of the bottle, which they call the puck, like a hockey puck. And that's this part right here. And there's nothing else, no other electronics in this. This is really the brain of the whole thing. And there are LED lights in it. And it just kind of unscrews, I think, counterclockwise. And then there's a charger here. So it comes with its own cable. Let me see if I have that here. So the cable looks like this. So don't lose it. I'm not sure, it's probably not that easy to replace. And then you charge it, and I think it takes about 2 hours to charge full. And you only have to do that about once a week, even if all your lights, you have different options in the app, but even if the lights are always lighting up. So we're at about 4 minutes here. Okay, good. And what else did I forget to say? Let me just show you, because the lights are cool, let me bring this up closer here. I'm going to go into the app here and see if I can change the Let me see if I can change the colors. Okay, yeah, so there's this app where you can change the lighting settings, bottle glow reminder. So you can set, whoops, there it is, it's over here. Yeah, let me put it back in here. Forgot that guy. Okay, so where were we? These are my settings. So I can go in here to the colors. So right now I can go to all, let's see if this will work. All red. And oh, there you go. So you have the red glow. Change it to purple rain. Purple rain, come on. Glow for me. Oh, maybe I have to actually drink some to get to, oh, there we go. Yeah, that's pretty. It's funny how these little tiny lights can actually motivate you to drink your water. And I just leave it on the rainbow because I think that looks cool. Yeah, and I guess that there's a separate app where you can do color combinations and you have to pay $5 more. I do not have that. I don't find that necessary. So anyways, that's about it. That is the Hidrate Spark Pro, and I decided to get the plastic version because I think it's more lightweight than the steel, and I don't really need to have my water cold. I think it's room temperature is fine, or tap temperature or whatever. So, and just as a final note, all the water in here is Kangen water. I think I'm drinking, this is 9.5, and the water is generated with these Kangen machines back here, and they have different pH levels. So the water runs over an electric plate in the back, and then it changes the pH of the water. So it's kind of like a high-tech water machine, and best of the best. And then this is your high-tech water bottle. So anyone out there looking to buy one of these, great investment, and one of the healthiest things that you can do as a lifestyle change is to drink more water. So this is the new year 2022, and one of my goals is to drink more water, and it's helping so far. So good luck out there, and highly recommended. Adios, amigos.